Good morning, everyone. We're here at Crunch Fitness. I'm gonna do a warm-up before I go do my workout today. I'll explain that more later, but for this morning, I'm gonna do 2 or 3 different types of ab workouts. First, I will do the little ab crunch machine. I'll kind of show a picture of it right here. And then the next one will be kind of like a cable pull from side to side to work on the obliques. Then after that, maybe I'll do like the little roller, maybe 2 sets of 10. We'll kind of see how that goes. And then once I get done with the ab stuff, I'm gonna do some activation drills or lifting of my calves, my quads, and my hamstrings to get them ready for the run I'm gonna do later. So I'll see you guys in a bit and explain more once we get to Riverside Park. All right, we're here at Riverside Park. I'm gonna be doing 2 sets of 3 minutes on, 1 minute off. My pace is gonna be between 8:45 to 9:15 pace. I don't wanna go any faster than that, even though I can. There's no need to right now. After I get done with the first set and do the minute break, I'm gonna do a 2-minute walk and then finish the last one. So we'll see how it goes. Alrighty, I just finished my workout. I ended up doing 6 reps of the 3 minutes on, 1 minute off. Overall, it was okay. The first 4 were at the pace I wanted. The last 2, I ended up slowing down. I think it was because I started to feel my knee a little bit, so my body instinctually slowed down. So I kind of just finished them. So now, with that being done, I'm gonna do probably 3 or 4 strides out here, and then I'll take a look at the chorus data and see how things looked, put it into my coach GPT and see what he thinks. All right, see you guys in a bit. Alrighty, let's take a look at how the course data looks from that run. I'll be looking at my computer as I film with the camera. So looks like I went about 2.29 miles. Not bad for an on and off session. Best lap, 8:51. Not too bad. Heart rate average, 146. Pretty good with just walking. And then pace-wise, looks like I was staying majority between 8:47 and 9:56, which is exactly what we wanted to. Alright, let me go to the next one. Heart rate wise, I was exactly where I needed to be for the most part. Not sure how accurate the heart rate is for chorus when it comes to like where I'm at personally, but I try to follow the best that I can to stay in my range where Coach ChatGPT tells me to stay in. So that's kind of what I did for the most part. Now the most important one will be, give me one moment, is the pacing. All right, so personally, the first 3 or 4 actually felt pretty good. I actually had to tell myself to slow down on the first and second rep because I was going way too fast. Even though it felt really good, I had to tell myself to slow down. But I did struggle a little bit towards the 5th and 6th one, as you can see. My knee did feel kind of a little strange, so with that being in mind, I kind of really slowed down and stopped the intensity that I was doing at. I do fear that I will hurt the knee again, even though the therapist and doctor said I should be good. So I would have to fall off a roof and fall on my affected leg to really break it. But you know, it's just one of those things that kind of just gets in your head and you feel similar pains and it gets you feeling some type of way. But overall, this run was probably like a B plus, A minus effort. I think if I would have did the last 2 reps, don't mind my son, if I were able to do the last 2 reps at the maybe 9:15ish pace, this would probably be a high A, but for now it'll be an A minus. It wasn't too bad overall. So today's the 9th of October. I got another workout that I'm going to do today. It's a 2 minutes on, 2 minutes off. I'll probably update you guys later on how that went, so thanks for sticking around. Check out my Strava for any more information of the runs if you want to get it before I post it on YouTube. Thanks for joining in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.